Everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add the QR for Office add-in in Excel Mac. So you're going to open up Excel Mac and you'll see that Excel has different tabs: home, insert, draw, page layout, etc. You're not going to click on this tab or on these tabs. You're going to click on the tab on top where you see Excel, file, edit, view, etc. So from here, you're going to navigate to insert and you're going to scroll down to add-ins and click on get add-ins. Here in the search box, you can just type in QR, click on the search icon, and you're going to scroll down to where you see QR for Office. Okay, so next click on add, read the license terms and privacy policy, then click on continue. Now, in order to double check and see if the add-on has been done successfully, you can go to your home tab, and on this side, on the right hand side where you see add-ins, if you click on it, you should see any add-ins you have recently added. So QR for Office is right there. Okay, next we're going to learn how to create a quick QR code in Excel Mac. So once this page opens up, you'll see that there is a website, a place to put the website link. So here, just make sure you select the right address, and I'm going to type in my YouTube channel. Okay, here you can also experiment with the different colors, and if you want to change the background, you can do that as well. I'm just going to leave mine at white. Okay, you can also adjust the size by clicking or dragging this size bar here. Okay, and that's it. Then you click on insert. Okay, and it will be inserted into your Excel page. You can also copy and paste it in different documents if you want, and you can also resize by dragging from the corners where you see the circles like this. And that's it. This is how you can quickly create a QR code for your business or your favorite website using Excel.